Hi and welcome to a 3D printed video. I used to have these from my filament roller, which is two parts with a bearing on the inside, which is a skateboard bearing. Not very good, as when your filament's rolling it wiggles off and then your spool drops off. Ends up being too tight and also cause snagging. I found this filament roller on Thingiverse at the point of realizing that it was going to be too long for my roller from my Trunksy, so I imported it into Tinkercad, reduced the size down to 85mm, that's 8cm, 0.5. Got some flange bearings instead, some new ones. One side didn't need no tape on, but the other side did. Install it onto the bolt. There's a nut on one side, one on that side to trap it. And now I can put it on to my filament, and it's just long enough. What I did was measure the width of the filament spool. I've got different sizes, so it makes no difference. This is the widest ones I've got. This one filament roller is self-centering, so if you've got smaller filaments reels, it'll gradually just center itself and then it just stays in the middle, so it goes, tapers in, then back out again. Hope you're enjoying these 3D printed videos, as am I. And there you go, it just sits directly inside.